Okay, so we have a lead like this one, Joe Delvecchio, who works at Jody International, but what's wrong with it? Well, we don't have any information for him. All we have is his name, his company, how we found him, how we prospected him, and whatnot. So we have to fill in a lot of information about him. So let's talk about how we can research the lead, which is the second step in the client process. And basically, we have to go through different research methods to fill in fields and know more about them. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up a new window and see if he has any websites. So I don't think he does at this time, but I know he might have. He used to have this one. I think he does have a blog. So after searching, we found that he has a blog. So we can click on his blog and we can read it and find information about him. We click his About Us, About Joe page. And what's another way? Or we can look at his social media, which is the most popular way probably. So we'll go to Facebook.com and type in Joe Delvecchio. Click on him. And he's one of our friends already. If he's not one of the friends, add him as a friend. And, just go through his profile, where he's been, his pictures, what he likes, the groups he belongs to, his recent activity, what movies he likes, and what friends he has maybe, and then mutual friends, which ones that he's mutual with that you would know. That would help out in the link as well. See, I have 26 mutual friends with Joe. And click on his About and find more about him, like where he works, his education, his basic information. Maybe it has his cell phone or his personal email here and whatnot. Another place is LinkedIn. So you can go to linkedin.com, sign in. I'll sign in for you. And we can do search for Joseph. I'm badgering his name right now. He's going to yell at me. Is it Joe? There it is, Joe Delvecchio. Okay, and this is the more professional way to do it. And we'll endorse him right now for them. And get the screen out. Joe Delvecchio, we can tell his title, his background, his experience, what he worked at, the organizations he belongs to, his skills, his education, who gave him recommendations, his connections, who else he's connected to that we're connected with. They're going to click on shared, groups that he belongs to, who he follows, what companies he belongs to or follows, his schools. And this is just a great way, I think the best way to find information. And eventually we can be able to link it right to SalesForce. And then another website is Twitter. Twitter.com. Sign in. And who are we going to follow? Do we find Joe? Does he have a site? No, but maybe he doesn't. SWP has a site. There it is. And this would be a site. We can follow what he's talking about, what he's sharing, and go for his interest. And another site is his Instagram. That would be more for mobile. Or we can Google him. So go to google.com and search for Joseph Delvecchio. And his LinkedIn comes up. I think there's other Joe Delvecchios. There's his. Maybe he has a Google Plus account. Click that. He does. Or we can look him up on Wikipedia. Type in Joe Delvecchio. not in Wikipedia, but some people are. Word of mouth, also work and personal connections on how the business is. Basically, is what do we know about them, or what can we know about his company, JD International he works for, or his staff. We can talk to his staff and get a hold of them, see if they know, see if we can, ask them questions about Joe. Also, his common business contacts and vendors. Say, for example, they have an account with Apple or AT&T or Comcast. Maybe we can ask them how they are and how we get a hold of them. Another one is to actually visit their store or their event. Maybe he's got a store we can visit, or headquarters we can go take a tour of, or he'll be at an event that we can visit. Another way is Reference USA. Reference USA, you have to have a school account, and then you're going to go to Students, and you're going to go on to, scroll down to, we're going to go to Academics, Libraries, from University Libraries, and then we go to Keith and Shirley Campbell Library, which is the main library. Click on e-resources, and we're going to go to R for Reference USA. Click that. Affiliation, it's Rowan. Enter first name, password, log in, and then you can search the database for, let's go with US businesses, search, and then we can search by city and state. Let's search for Glassboro, New Jersey, and view results. A lot, 891 businesses in Glassboro, New Jersey. So let's get a more revised search. We're going to do a custom search. Click custom search, and we're going to go through financial data, and we want, actually we'll do business size, number of employees, or sales volume is a common one to do. So we'll do 50 to 99. We'll select all these, and we want the bigger companies. So then we can do that, and then click view results. And that was, we forgot to put in where. So geography, let's do city, and we'll do New Jersey, and then we'll do Glassboro, and hit view results. And 3 of them came up: PB's Tavern, Listio's, and Catering by Masters. Great companies to work for. I actually work for PB's. Okay, cool. Alright. And then the next one is for GuideStar Research Database, which is for nonprofits. So for the GuideStar is a nonprofit website. You just go to guidestar.org, and then once here you search GuideStar for the company or city, state. Let's type in Glassboro, click start search, and you'll see the different nonprofits in Glassboro. Scroll down, let's click on the first one, Rowan University Alumni Association, and it gives you their EIN number, their URL, and different forms, basic information about them, the category, their mission statement, and even their revenue and expenses, which is probably what you're going to want when searching for leads and clients. Okay, and that was the last one. And then what you can do is you can create a list of all of them on Excel sheet or a Google Doc, which could help. Google.com Docs, and you can make a Google Doc. It's an Excel sheet of what you want. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.